This is the team Null-pointer-exception, and that's a simple demo of our project Play. As you can see, Play is the reverse of Yelp, which is a very simple recipe project, and we have already deployed it on the Heroku app. So if you wanna test it or use it and feel it, just go for this address. But for test use, I'm gonna use the local host because it's faster. As you can see that this is the index page. We have like a dashboard like stuff. We have pizzas and miso ramen and junk food combo, whatever. So these are the single recipe that forms this whole page. On the right side, there's some functional part. We can have search and categories and introduction, and maybe some advertisement or some other stuff that we can do in the future. Sorry, I haven't forgot to log out. So on the top is the nav bar. As you can see, wherever you are, the nav bar is the same. So when you click on the title or the read more button, it will redirect you to the pizza page. As you can see, here's the user information, this thumbnail of the user. You can follow or him or not, and you can favorite this pizza and the tag of this recipe. These are the contents. Remember this, I can do the login, but first of all I have to do the register. So in our website, the name, the username, and the email address has to be unique. So this is the MongoDB we're using. As you can see, we already have user1 and test@test.com. So if I use either of them, it will give me an error. It will give me an error, and nothing will happen. It will stay on this page. So if I test@test.com, same, nothing will happen. So it has to be unique. So for example, I'm going to use Tony and Tony@tony.com. When it's registered, redirect me back to the login title. For now, you can see a new user has been created. So Tony@tony.com 222. Oh, sorry. Oh, 42. Sorry. Tony@tony.com. Here, that's it. So the same, the nav bar stays the same. Whenever I go, we will have Tony. So let's go back and log out. I'm going to use a user that I already built for this for the project. So when I click on the miso ramen, so you can see there's the comments and the time of creation, the time of last edition, and you can add comments. But first of all, you need to log in. So now I'm gonna log in as the admin. Go to the miso ramen. I'm the author of this. Now I'm user one. Now I'm gonna push a comment test. I'm gonna say yummy. And you can see a new comment is added. Now let's talk about user profile. And this is the user profile page, the name, the user group. The user group 1 means you're the admin, and 2 means you're the normal user, which means you can only add posts or view posts and comment and can do anything superior. But if you're admin, you can do something about other people's post, other people's comment, and you can also modify the text. For example, if I logged in as user 1, we can see there's operation about this text. So if I logged out, text, nothing here. Same thing. If I click on the user button, if I went to the user profile page and I haven't logged in, so you can't do nothing about this about the user. Now let's go back. There's another thing. Now I'm gonna log in as a normal user. And I went to the tag page. As you can see, a normal user also cannot do anything about these tags. Let's go back and test.com password 1. Oops. So that's what we got. These are the list of recipes that belongs to this user, and these are all the comments that belongs to the user. Here's some problems here, but we're gonna fix it real quick. And these are the user that I followed, and these are the recipes that I favorite. I'm gonna show you how, if I want to add a new post, I'll just click here and a new, for example, noodle soup salad, right? So it would be a pasta and soup, and high calories, whatever. The picture URL. I don't have any picture for now, but I can get one. Google.com. Pick images. I'll just copy this address, copy email address, use it, thumbnail. I don't care about content, create recipe. Now you can see there's a new recipe that has been created. I'll go back to the, so if I want to update it, noodle soup salad, it's pasta, soup, and high calories. If I want to update it, just click on update, and great food ever, best food ever, 2222. Yeah, and now let's go to the noodle soup salad, 2222, best food ever, and this is my user, and also comment on my own post. Let's see, that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how to favorite and unfavorite people. For example, if I go to profile, I can see that I have already followed the user 2, right? I'll go to the user 2 and pick whatever recipe he had. I'll click on follow, unfollow. Then I go back to profile and see user 2 is gone. And if I go back and click that again, and it goes back to this list. So it's pretty much similar to the recipes. For example, the favorite recipes are pizza. So if I went to the Caesar salad supreme and add to favorite and go back, I can see a Caesar salad supreme. If I click that again, it will, and boom, it's gone. Right. So in the end, I'm going to talk about the tags. So for now, these are all the tags we have for the website. And when you click on the tag, it will redirect me to the tag view. It will tell me how many the list of recipes that hold this tag. When you click on that, you can see test tag 1 and the author. I'll click on that, it will redirect me to the profile page. As I just said, you can only modify the tags because it's a very global stuff in this website. So you have to be a admin to do. For example, if I want to add a new tag, test tag, right? As you can see, there's no recipe that is using this tag, and there's 9. At most, there's 9. There are 9 recipes that have test tag 1. If I want to delete that, and it's gone. I want to create that, it shows up in the tag, right? There's a new one. If I delete that, refresh, and it's gone. So that is pretty much what we have for the demo.